section we're in.
Well, the doors are locked. There's the lobby area there, but there's nothing else.
No, there's nothing.
That door secured. I'm gonna start writing them down. Still one of these upper rocks though. Or they got a couple on the wall.
Dig these people out so we can get back to the firehouse. Oh, snow's coming down so hard. It's like sandblast. One more gas. Keep going, bro. Keep going.
Drive it home backwards all the way. Don't stop.
Where's he going?
Long branch.
Long branch? Yeah. Are you serious?
Donut. Yep.
Shovel the engine area first, then we shoveled the ladder, and then we came back to the engine and didn't look like we did anything.
Give it a whirl. You got another call?
Yeah.
Locust.
State of emergency.
One locust, 91-year-old woman not breathing. Unresponsive.
Now you're just going deeper in the curve here. The back end's spaced down out. You're in the curve now. You gotta dig it out.
Visibility's like zip.
Yeah, 5 on a plane.
I cannot see.
Well, keep on my side. Stay close to your side. That's where the mile was.
Those cars look stuck. Careful.
It looks like we're gonna get stuck.
Yeah, they're stuck. Road. Fire truck stuck again. As you can see, every time we come upon someone who's stuck, we have to stop. When we stop, fire truck just sinks.
Alright, the other side's all done?
The other side's all done.
Alright. Great. Let's get out of here.
The snow has turned to ice. It is so cold out. Ice is forming on the inside of windows. Not 100 feet where we were. More people out here. Here's a Belmore ambulance that we come upon. Stuck trying to transport a patient with chest pains, and they're stuck. We're nowhere near getting back to the station. Finally, back in our area, but cars are backed up. Oh, it's a lot of backing up. ambulance stuck, and this car is stuck. We're gonna try to push him out. Uh-oh. There you go.
The ambulance is gonna have to come back. Let's go. All right.
EMTs have a patient inside. They're stuck in the snowbank. Another trouble breathing. This picture's been here for 3 hours. All on. Wait, put the camera.
Okay, everyone, tell them whenever they're ready.
Go ahead.
Go.
Go.
There you go. Go.
Back in the firehouse.
Three left. We've eaten Sherry, Bill,
You got called out that we should.
Dave.
John. Can, but it's waterproof. What is it?
See ya! Bye! See you in the spring! Bill, we should have put you in an orange jumpsuit.
We're going to 3.
We should have put a rope on his belly. In case he goes down and pull it back.
Oh, I forgot my winter hat too.
Repeat 6 7. Come back with me, man. Good luck.
Thank you very much for your help today.
No problem, man. Anytime
Thank
I
you.
get help. Good luck with everything, all right?
Thank you. You too.
Sit my end down, all right? Your end goes up. We'll walk it this way.
Watch it.
Watch your head.
Hold up.
Let him finish. I'm all right.
Receive, Joey. I got three guys at the rear door. 3 front shots for a wall.
Who are you with? Leslie Phil Jr. Jerry.
Hey, I don't need everybody in the kitchen. Come in here and pull the ceiling. Who's here?
Clear. Wherever that is clear. We're going to see.
You're just right up in this corner if you can get it in there. Ventilated the basement. All right. Final search, nothing. Yeah, they know. Joey's standing right by it. That floor is really soft down here, Joey. We can almost see through it.